When you talk about AI in the context of a process, there are really three things that you need to think about. You need to think about the tactical use of AI. So we have a process, there is a step in the process where we have to say, evaluate customers' comments subjectively. That's a great place to call an AI tool. The second place that you would use AI in a process is when you're actually gathering information for future usage. So, for example, you might be gathering statistics about what sorts of tickets are being routed to what sorts of problems. In that case, what you're doing is you're going to be gathering information to feed your LLMs, and that information will then be used by your system in the future to help train the system and make it even smarter. And the third part is actually using that data. So for example, when we have a ticketing system and information comes into the flow and we wait 30 minutes or so for someone to make a decision, and if they don't, then we go with the AI suggestion because we're now at a point where we have, say, 10,000 trials and 99% accuracy over the course of 5 years, and we trust the system at this point. The trick in all of this is to think ahead. You want to be punching through the target. And so what you want to do is you want to be thinking about, how can I use AI right now to help reduce manual steps? That's the first thing. The second thing is, how can I make my future self happy by gathering the information he would have wanted so that he can start training the system to do good things in the future? And the third is actually to do those things in the future, to come back and refactor your system in such a way that you're taking advantage of the data and you're actually automating as much as possible. I hope this has been helpful. Please drop any comments, questions, or feedback to info@CapBPM.